Was your Helvetic Airways flight delayed, cancelled, or did you miss a connection? Don't stress, you might be eligible for compensation. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to claim compensation through Compensair, a trusted platform used by travelers worldwide. Compensair will handle the entire process, so you don't need to deal with Helvetic Airways directly. Let's get started. First, go to Compensair. You can find it online, but to avoid any phishing risks, use the secure link provided in the video description. Once on the website, begin by entering your Helvetic Airways flight details, departure and arrival airports, flight number, and date of travel. You can locate this information in your booking confirmation or boarding pass. Next, input your personal details, like your full name and email address. Don't worry about data security. Compensair keeps your information safe throughout the process. After entering all the required details, double-check the accuracy of the information, then click Submit. Compensair will take over from here, handling your claim with Helvetic Airways to secure your compensation. You just need to wait for updates. Once your claim is approved, you'll receive an email notification, and your compensation will be transferred directly to your preferred payment method. That's all there is to it. Claiming compensation for delayed, cancelled, or missed Helvetic Airways flights is simple and hassle-free with Compensair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.